everyone. My name is Jill. I am in the 3rd grade. I live in Hsinchu, Taiwan. I am 8 years old. There are 4 people in my family. My dad, my mom, my sister, and me. We love each other very much. I have many hobbies. I love playing piano, swimming, running, dancing, and playing piano. When I grow up, I want to be a piano teacher. Now I play piano for you. Sometimes I teach my mom how to play piano. I want to grow tall and strong, so I